Alright, so we are going to start off this haircut by cutting in the outline first. You can see I have a center section down the middle of the back with two A-line sections clipped away, combing the hair straight down and establishing the length. We're just cutting a little bit off the bottom, keeping it long but trimming it up. And then we're going to do some frame-to-face layers and some interior layers to lighten it up. So, you can see me taking another section on the left side, combing that section down, using that section underneath that I just got done cutting as the guide to know how short to cut this section. And once we are all done with the outline, we will then continue on with the layering. Alright, so now it's time to cut the frame-to-face layers. Here on the right side, you can see I'm combing that hair down, holding the hair in my fingers, and just going through and creating the desired shape for the frame-to-face layers that I'm looking for. So, right here, combing it down, and then basically just going through and establishing a nice, clean, precision outline for the frame-to-face layers. And I'm going to do this on the right side, and then we will do it again on the left side. Alright, so now that the frame-to-face layers are done on the right side, we are now doing it on the left side. Once we've got all the frame-to-face layering complete, we will do the interior layers. You can see me starting those right here, right now. Got a center section in the back, combing that hair back, and then cutting. Wait for it. Right there. Cutting those layers in. And those are going to be the guide for the rest of the layers throughout the rest of the haircut. You can see I'm combing the hair in an upward motion. What that does is it eliminates the corner up at the top. When you eliminate the corner and round it, you're lightening it, making it even lighter so that the volume is going to be easier to obtain throughout the layering because you're basically cutting the layers a little bit shorter, right? When you have a corner and you cut that corner off, you're basically taking that hair a little bit shorter to make the layers fuller throughout the rest of the haircut. Alright, so now I'm doing the layers here on the left side. Once I've done that, we will do the layers on the right side. Alright, so now that the layering is all done on the left side, you can see I'm taking sections here on the right side and doing the exact same thing. Not a whole lot to explain here, other than I'm going to take sections, working my way on the right side, over-directing to the previous section to establish those layers. Alright, well, now it's time to cut the bangs. You can see right here what I'm doing is I'm going through and layering the bangs to make them a little bit lighter. So they're not so heavy, so they're not so thick. So, dusting off the layers here in the bangs, and then we'll be all done with the haircut. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below. Check out those layers. Gives the hair a lot of lightness, a lot of body, a lot of volume. If you have any questions, and I may have already said this, put them down in the comment section below. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys for watching.